We just heard the forecast, 30 to 40 knots. Thunderstorm warnings. It could be worse. Probably could be a bit better, but I don't know. We'll just roll with it.
Loading up now, and I think one thing is pretty apparent that I'm not used to, or wasn't used to on the old 1850, is you load it up and your fishing gear's everywhere, but there's plenty of space to chuckle your rods, reels and tackles. So really looking forward to getting this beast out on the water.
Space. Like I can go over here, I can go over here. Look at the space scoots. So good.
I think first up what you probably notice is in the cabin here we've got a huge amount of room. We've got the forward raking windows. I haven't actually fished in a boat like this before, so it's my first experience.
Sporting conditions? Just the start. Big shark.
It's quite a iconic spot that we've just turned up to. This is North Cape, the most northern part of New Zealand. Justin's fishing off the casting platform.
Don't get me wrong, 1850 was cool, but this here is definitely the absolute bloody cream of the crop. You know, the fact that you've literally got 360 degrees of fishing. So this is the one part we were looking forward to the most.
Times on the high seas.
Oh, that's the shit.
As the last of the light dips away, so I can't complain. Been up here far north. The all new 2350 Stabi Ultra Centrecab. It's a hell of a fishing weapon. So another day tomorrow. So if you don't see us again tonight, we haven't caught anything, and catch you in the morning.